Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to give you the update on the fruits which are there on my terrace. See, this season, these months I like very much because every plant will be loaded with fruits. And earlier I showed you my tangerine. This is not tangerine actually, I bought it online and it turned out to be table lemon. Very sour, and I can use it as a lemon only. Okay, so see the drum which I used, and this is the plant size and the fruits, how loaded it is. Every branch you can see I plugged so many so far, and again I'm getting this many. And now the mangoes. This year, like I have 3 varieties of mango plants on my terrace. This year the fruit variety has come with fruits. Like in mango, usually what we observe is 1 year it will not fruit and 1 year it will fruit. Same thing happened. So last year I got raw mangoes, and this year I am getting the fruit varieties. So see and this is also in this drum. I got lot of flowers, but ultimately hardly few got retained, and these are the ones. Okay, very few. And beauty of having these fruits on the terrace is that we keep them until they are ripen on the tree, and then we pluck, so it will be so sweet. This is the second time I'm going to get yield from this plant. In the year 1 I got around 7 fruits, and this time it is even less. Already if you see, the birds are starting to eat them. I don't know till end how many will be retained. 1 or 2 is also for my satisfaction. Yeah. And the third variety for this season is rose apple, called as gulab jamun in Telugu, and this also bloomed heavily. Every branch had so many blooms, and ultimately how many will remain we don't know. So far I see this many remaining, but again daily birds will come. They will throw like this, or they will pluck those, and so many will fall down. And this is rose variety, so there is still some time to ripen, and we will be allowing them to ripe on the tree, and we will pluck from there. It will be so sweet. One more fruit I have is the cantaloupe. I'm getting so many buds, but finally I see that only one fruit is remaining on the tree, and I don't know how long. Whether, see here one more I got, and it got ripened. Means it will not grow anymore. And finally the fruit I have on the terrace is guava. See, every branch is loaded. I plugged a few yesterday and day before. We enjoy directly. Once it is ripened, we will pluck and we will eat. That is the beauty of having plants on the terrace. Especially fruit trees were a great success for me than the vegetables, because vegetables are all seasonal, and you have to wait for them to grow, and it needs lot of conditions. But what I found in fruits was like they are rough and tough. Once it becomes live, that's it. You just have to take care by watering them every day, in summer especially. And if you see, every branch is having buds. See, everywhere you can see buds. So this is the fruit on the terrace. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. We'll meet in next video.